Well, this is JBL Go wireless Bluetooth soundbox. I bought it in Amazon.in for around 1800 bucks. So let's go for a review. Okay, it's very small in size. You can hold it in hand. So it is very compatible. Like it is half of the size of your mobile. So this is my new Moto G mobile. So its size is 4.5 and it came around this one. So you can assume how much small it is. So it is very comfortable. You can take it anywhere. So let's go for a review. So here we have four options. This is power button, this is Bluetooth, this is volume resume, reducing the volume, increasing the volume, and this is for attending calls. And here we have two ports. One is for charger connect, one is for aux cable. So this cable we can use for aux to aux. Whether you can connect from mobile to your this one or any iPods or MP3 players which don't have any audio output, you can connect through aux cable so that you can play this soundbar. So this is very good, and you can see this is the port where you can hold your keychain, or this is for our comfort. And we have this mic, so when you are attending calls over this Bluetooth phone, this is the mic which will receive the signal. Okay, so this is the this thing, and let's go for operating. So first of all we have to press the power button, and we have to check whether this blue light is pops up or not. So after that we need to on the Bluetooth. So this is the Bluetooth button, so we have to turn it on. So this will be blinking. So now it is searching for the signal, means it is searching for the device to get paid. So if you see my Bluetooth, so I'll turn on my Bluetooth, and it got connected. One second. For the devices in your mobile, it will show as JBL Go, and you can see this headset, means this is a sound thing. So what you have to do is you just give a single click and it will get connected. Once it is connected, here this blue light will be permanent, means earlier it was blinking. Once after connecting, it will be standard. So after that, now you are connected to the mobile, so you can do whatever you want. Like you can play the music, you can attend the calls, you can. So I'll play a sample song. So these two devices got connected. You can see the standard blue color light here. So now I'll play a trial song. So here we have the controls. So I'm increasing the volume now. So this is the full volume. So you can see there is no distortion, or there is no disturbance in even at high volumes. So this one will give you a clear sound, like treble, bass, volume and variation, everything is very fine. So you can't expect more than this in this very small one. So this is very comfortable and handy to use. So this is JBL Go, just go for it.